Hey guys, it's your girl again with another video. Excuse my tired face. This is my behind the scene. This is how I always look like when I'm working. I don't look any kind of way other than looking, like someone that is working. So I hope you guys don't mind seeing the realness of me. But anyways, this is gonna be like a work with me kind of video, I guess. I have a lot of orders that I have to process. So this is gonna be like a family design for all the family, and it's gonna be on a sweatshirt, something like this. So I am gonna be pressing that right now, and I already got my binder on my mat, and you guys know pretty place facing down as always, so I had to put my Cricut machine on the floor because where I usually put it, I don't have room there because this is long. You will need room at the back, so I don't have room at the back because all my equipment is like on the wall so that I can have the middle. So this office is getting smaller for me, so I'm thinking I'll have to move to the basement, and I'm trying to have my husband get the basement together so I can move all my stuff there. But anyways, I hope you guys don't mind. I'm gonna be showing you the floor. You're gonna see a lot of things on the floor. Your girl don't have no time. Like, I've been so busy. I cannot wait for Christmas and my kid's birthday to be like, I cannot wait this whole thing to be over. I have two kids that their Christmas is right after, their birthday is right after Christmas. So my first daughter is going to be on the 27th, and my son is going to be on the 29th, all in December. So December is a big month for my family. So it's been really, y'all. I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired. But anyways, let's start cutting this design. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on my computer. So this is just gonna be like a vlog, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but whatever you want to call it, walk with me, vlog, whatever. So this is set, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the mat. This is the longest mat that I'm using. Oopsie. Trying to make sure I position it where I have room behind. Gotta do whatever you gotta do for your business, right? So I'm gonna click on this flashing light, and I'm gonna let Cricut do his thing. Cut this baby boy or baby for me, and when it's done cutting, you want to make sure you have enough room. Let me move backwards. You see that? You want to make sure you have enough room. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on this button. So wherever you place your Cricut machine, you want to make sure that you have enough room at the back when you're using this mat, because this mat is really long. It's 12 by 24, you guys already know. So you want to make sure that there's enough room for you to cut. So like I told you guys, all my stuff is like it's like at the back, is like facing the wall, so I don't have enough room. So that's the reason why I'm using the floor. So you gotta do what you gotta do for your business. So, but anyways, I'm gonna let this keep on going, and when it's done, I'm gonna weed it and come back and show you guys and start pressing. So this is ready. So I am gonna take it out from the mats. And with this big mat, it just helps to just get everything out at once. I'm looking for making sure I see the design. Yeah. Alright, I'm running out of white wire, so I cannot not mess nothing up at all. That's not an option. Use my eyes to see clearly. This is one. I gotta get 5 out of this. So you guys can use your light. There's a weeding light. You can use that if you choose to. I actually have the weeding light, but I bought it just for glitter because your girl have problems seeing glitters. See, that's the reason why on the Cricut design space I made sure I spaced it so that I can see it, like where before you cut it, there's a on the mat, on the digital mat, I made sure I spaced it so I can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the last one and come back and weed. So guys, I'm just weeding everything while the other one is cutting. With all of this, so now I just don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm doing everything off camera for you guys, so you guys don't have to suffer through the whole video. And of course I know you guys can forward it if you want to. So here are all the glitters, the Christmas tree, and they are 7 in total. So I'm gonna change the sweatshirt. This one that I have this one as white. I'm gonna change it as green. I know you guys are like, how are you gonna take it off? I have a solution, honey. I can take that thing off. I'm gonna put the green, otherwise I'll leave it this way. I just don't want this to be off from everybody, so that's the reason why I'm going to change it. Alright, you guys know, take out your lens as much as you can, and I'm going to go ahead and pre-press this. This one is ready. The heat press is ready. Pre-press this for 3 to 5 seconds is what I always do. And I'm gonna go ahead and place my design. So this is the design. Give it a pinch, and I want to make sure I got it in the middle. Now I want to make sure this is actually horizontally placed correctly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my T roller. I'm running out of memory. I want to use it. Ooh. Alright. I'm gonna use my T-roller to make sure I have it in the middle. No, I do not. I see that. I gotta do some adjustment. So I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. This is the middle. And I want to make sure, I'm going to take this off because I know where I want this to be now. My neck measurements, take it off. I want to make sure that this is placed correctly, horizontally correct. So I'm going to get it. I need to get the right tool. Alright, so it's correct for this side of it. Correct here. Alright, and it looks like this is the middle. And I'm gonna go ahead and press this one. For 15 seconds. And now it's ready for me. And whoa, so pretty. You see that? So now I am gonna go ahead and place the tree that is going on top of this. It's gonna be this one here. So if you guys notice, I let the tree align to this part here. All right, so I just changed the time on my machine to 320. The pressure, not the pressure, the temperature to 320 for 20 seconds because this is glitter. Glitter is 100% different, so you want to make sure that you press it for 320 and for 20 seconds. So just wanted to let you guys know the difference. And it's ready, and voila, that looks so pretty. See that? So this is 1 out of 7. See that? So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on going because I have a lot to press. So I'm just gonna grab angle. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so this one is an extra large. I'm gonna go ahead and lint roll. Not all men want the glitter, so no glitter for this. I just got to realize that, so I just had to cut this print and cut this one real quick. So I should have done it at one piece, but I told you guys I wasn't thinking. So there we go. So it looks better. And there we go. Go ahead and give it a press. So boom, I am done with this big project of my list. And voila, do you guys prefer the green Christmas tree or the white Christmas tree? Alright guys, I have come to the end of this video. So this is how it came out. I am finally done. This is for the male version, and for the female version, this is how it is. And I am excited. This is so pretty, y'all. Like, woohoo. So you guys know, for the glitter, your pressure, your heats, your temp, I cannot speak, your temp is gonna be 320, and your time for it is gonna be for 20 seconds. But for the regular vinyl is, you all know, 305 and for 15 seconds. So I have about, let me count, I have one here, let's count together. I have one, and I have two, I have three, I have four, I have five, I have six, and I have seven. So all done. Whew. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. I did not want this video to be a long one, but I had to fast forward a lot so I don't keep you guys just hanging and watching me. And but anyways, thank you. I do appreciate all your time and all the subscription, the love, the likes, everything. I see it, and I do appreciate every one of you. And this channel is growing. This is a new channel and it is growing so fast. And but anyways, so if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I always post videos twice a week. I do try to make it twice a week. I started with once a week, but I'm trying to get into the group of doing twice a week for you guys. So because I have a lot of videos, so it's like I need to post this stuff, so that's the reason why I'm doing it twice a week. So if you're wondering what I got on my sweatshirt, it's my kid's name. So I don't know how to turn my hand, but anyways, so, and I also post Sundays, Thursdays and Sundays, but if I ever do once a week, it's always going to be Sunday. But at this point, I'm doing it twice a week so that I can shoot out all my videos that I have sitting in my files. So, but anyways, like, so that other crafters like you and I, and potential crafters as well, can see this video and it's going to be helpful for them. And let me know what design you prefer. Do you prefer the one with the white Christmas tree, or you prefer the one with the green Christmas tree? And don't forget to stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen.